Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we're at home, continuing our Advent Calendar Palooza. And on the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Star Wars Legos.
Wow, look at that fancy background.
It is. It is a theme.
It's like almost like the forest moon of Endor with a little bit of snow or something on there.
All right, nerd.
I know. Okay, so these are not in order. So, all right, number one is right there, Beck.
And we
These
have...
are nice and easy to open.
We have that thing.
That thing, okay.
I will make everything.
Yep.
And then we'll show you. Number two.
Number two.
Ooh, that's Kylo Ren's ship.
Yeah, that's a... I'm going to get on the other side of you. The glare of the light is pretty bad. But that is, yes, that is like Kylo Ren's shuttle.
Yeah, I have a bigger one of that.
All right. Number
three. Oh, we got a Stormtooper.
Okay.
Number four. Ow! Got a gun.
A gun. Looks like a gun. Number five. Number five.
X-Wing fighter.
X-Wing fighter. Looks like Pose. X-Wing fighter. Okay.
No, I can't tell the difference between any of theirs.
They're, that Pose is orange.
Or whatever, nerd.
We got one of those. Okay.
7.
It all comes clear when it's made.
Oh, we got a Chewbacca.
We got Chewie.
And he looks like he's eating like maybe a pork.
He's not eating a pork. Porks are his friend, but he's eating some kind of a big old KFC chicken wing.
Over the fire.
Chicken leg. Okay.
Number 8.
Number 8.
That thing.
Okay. Perfect.
Number 9.
Number 9.
Okay.
Is that getting old?
Oh, we got a Luke Skywalker with a fish. Number 10. Yes, that is getting old to be.
Number 10.
Woo!
One of those things.
That thing.
Okay.
And we got
Number 11. That thing.
One of those things. Okay. Number
And
12 right here.
that's 21.
Yeah.
And ooh,
Oh, we got an Imperial
like
soldier.
a Death Star
guard.
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay.
Or engineer.
Somebody with an.
Okay, 12, 13.
No, a Stormtrooper's a Stormtrooper.
So
Can't see it.
That thing.
Here we go. That thing. Okay.
14.
14. That thing.
That thing.
Okay.
15. Oh, we got a battle droid.
Battle droid. Yeah. Okay.
16.
On the bottom.
Got that thing.
That thing. 17.
Got that thing.
That thing. 18.
Ooh.
Oh, we got
that guy.
Rebel. We got a rebel soldier. Okay.
we got that.
19.
We got that thing. Oh, that's one of those bat things that was hanging in the.
Yeah.
That was sucking on the Millennial Falcon in the
Yeah.
first movie.
Okay.
Nerd.
What number was that?
19.
20?
20.
Can't see. Okay.
Got that thing.
This is this, and that is that. Okay, and 21. We got. I can't see. These things are too glossy. Oh, it looks like the twin craft from Cloud City.
Nerd.
Okay.
22.
22.
Another Imperial guy. That guy. I can see it.
I know, but I can't. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And
That was 23. Kronk droid.
Gonk droid.
A gonk droid. Nerd.
Gonk. And I love this because he looks like he's strapped like a Christmas present. I love that.
And 24.
24. Final day. And that thing
is a porg, a Christmas porg.
Oh, Christmas porg. Okay. Well, Becky's going to build all these things, and then we'll show them to you when they're all done. Okay. So, Becky has them all finished. Look at this. This is awesome. All right. And there's a few in here that we actually don't know what they are. And being Star Wars geeks, I'm a little embarrassed about that. But
Just your geek. I only like the Legos.
I know. But I know this is Poe Dameron's X-Wing fighter, and this one, let me move it off of the black thing. This one is pretty darn sweet. I really like that one. That's cool. But we got a lot of, like weapons and guns and...
This thing looks like it was on Hoth.
This thing was on Hoth. This is the ion cannon from Hoth. Now that
Nerd.
I do know. See, now it doesn't get much geekier than that if I know that.
Well,
right?
I didn't know what Poe's last name was until you just said it.
Poe Dameron. This is Kylo Ren's shuttle. Here's the thing that sticks to the Millennium Falcon in the slug cave. That's called a Mynock.
Nerd!
Yeah. But look at, they got all these like little ships.
Little droids. Shit, I think that's a droid.
And this might be a droid,
Because
yeah.
he's got like little binoculars.
Oh, okay.
Look, there.
Oh, I see, yeah.
That's him.
Oh, that's him, yeah. Yeah, that is a droid. All
A
right.
droid that you don't have.
I know, right?
Nerd.
Well, I got him now.
No,
In
he's a Lego.
But we got a battle droid. I know these are trips or ships or transports. I believe this is the one from the old NES game. I think it's called the Ghost or something like that. And I believe that's the ship. But we've got a battle droid. We've got...
I think this is a table.
This guy here, he's some kind of a... I believe he's like a rebel commander. I love this. I love Chewie with his big turkey leg and with the fire. And who do we got here?
That's Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker. That's pretty sweet. I like the Christmas porg right there. I don't know what that is. Maybe some kind of a... I don't know. Just.
Here's your guy.
But that's my favorite. I love this guy. My gonk droid.
Gonk.
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 They call the gonk droid because every time they walk, they go gonk, gonk. But he's
Nerd.
dressed up. But look at that, he's dressed up like a Christmas package. And there's one of the soldiers on the Tantive 5 right there.
Nerd.
The ship. That is one of the Death Star soldiers. Stormtrooper, of course. And so yeah, this is pretty darn cool. This is the twin ship from Cloud City.
Nerd.
Shush. And a cannon. So, alright, well, I'll take pictures of everything. A little close-up, a little mouse droid. Isn't that cute? Alright. So, hope you like this one.
I like this one.
I like this one too.
I like all the Lego
That was
ones.
pretty darn neat. Alright, so if you like what you see, of course, as always, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone.
Bye.